Okay, so we have some more pricing on these RX 9070 cards, and this time it's from a US retailer, Amazon.com. And the pricing on these cards is quite shocking, in my opinion. I was hoping that the other leaks, were wrong, and they're in a different country, and the US normally gets it better priced. Anyway, jumping into it, starting off at $649, we have the lower end of these cards, and on the higher end, we are looking at $849. Now, this is very shocking to me based on the fact that these cards are only running GDDR6 and not GDDR7 chips. These cards are going to be power hungry by the seams of it, where packaging is referring to a 900 watt PSU requirement, which is kind of scary because, hey, if you're not forking out quite a lot for this graphics card, you're going to be forking out quite a lot on your PSU. Based on that, not everybody's running a PSU of like 1600 watts plus. I would recommend, if you are looking at getting one of these cards, despite there being other options in the market which are similarly priced, you're going to need a new PSU for that GPU.